from what you have mentioned just now about your problem, you mentioned that you were having A-levels in 2 months' time and that you were facing stress due to the days that is getting nearer and nearer. So, what would be an ideal situation that you would like to see happening?
Well, I think the most ideal one would be excelling in all my subjects, 5 subjects.
Okay, so can you tell me more specifically about it?
Okay, so I plan to get 4 distinction for 4 subjects. However, especially my science and maths, yeah. But for general paper, I'm having a difficulty in that subject, so I aim for B.
Okay, so what do you think you can do to like get the grade that you want for your GP?
Maybe do more TYS.
Okay, so can you tell me what is TYS?
TYS is basically a 10-year series whereby it's practice questions. They have a lot of questions inside the book. So if I practice more, maybe it will help me to improve in my general paper.
Okay, so by practicing your TYS, it will help you. You think that it will help you in improving your grade for your A-levels?
Yes.
So you mentioned about the topics, right, in the TYS. So how many topics are there in the TYS?
Okay. There's 12 topics. But I only able to cover 2 topics. So I'm left with 10 topics.
Okay, so
Stressful.
you are left with 2 months time for your 10 topics that needs to be covered.
Yeah.
So, so for the 10 topics, right, what do you think you can do to plan, like, to allocate how much time for your topics in the 2 months? How would you like to allocate your 10 topics?
I plan to maybe cover 8 topics in 1 month. I hope it's possible.
So you want to cover a total of 8 topics among the 10 in 1 month's time? Do you think it's possible to do it?
I think it's possible because since I'm left with 2 months, so by completing 8 topics in 1 month, it's possible. So another 1 month is my revision month maybe. So it's possible.
Okay. Okay, so what you would want to plan for your goal would be to finish the 8 topics among the 10 by 1 month's time, and that so that in the second month you will be able to do your revision. And plus the other 2 topics, right, that are not covered yet.
Yeah.
That's okay. So we'll see how you progress it when we met in the next session.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Thank you.
Okay, so 1 month later. So hi Mario.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Doing well. Okay, take a seat. Thank you.
So we talked about your plan, right, in covering 8 topics for your A-level. So how is it going?
I'm having difficulty basically because I plan to cover 8 topics in a month, but the TYS question was quite difficult, so it somehow stopped me from achieving that goal.
Okay. So what type of difficulties you face when you're doing your TYS?
I'm able to do all the simple one, but when it comes to the tricky questions, then I'll stuck. I don't know how to do.
So right, for this getting stuck in your TYS, what do you think will be the other alternatives that you can do to prevent this from happening for your other 4 topics, since you didn't manage to complete the another 2 topics?
If I remember, I mentioned to you that I'm good at group discussion. Yeah, I think well in group discussion. So maybe I plan to do my TYS with my friends. So if I'm not sure, then maybe I can ask them directly. So it won't use much time.
Okay, so you think that the group discussion, having a good discussion when doing your TYS will be a good, better plan for you and can increase your speed in doing it?
Yes.